Hi everyone, Adrienn here. My little Phalaenopsis orchid is blooming and I wanted to show it to you because it's the first time that it has all of these flower buds and flowers here and not just two of them, because the previous years it always threw off these flower buds and only two of the flowers remained. And this time, as you can see now, three is already blooming and open and the other three is growing, so maybe they will open as well. I think it's very pretty. It's a beautiful plant. It's a mini Phalaenopsis orchid with many strong healthy leaves, and it is blooming. How pretty it is. I really like it. Here is a close-up view of the plant, of the flowers, sorry. It's beautiful. It has beautiful white petals. It's so nice to look at it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed looking at these white flowers as much as I did. Have a beautiful day and a happy new year to you. See you later. Bye bye.